Hi guys, after talking about the Cololight Plus, next I will show the Cololight strip. This is a Cololight strip. This is a 60 LEDs for every meter. And also, I have the 30 LEDs every meter. You can see this compared with these two Cololight strips. Here was to mention that for Cololight strip 60 LEDs, the longest length is 4 meters, and for 30 LEDs, the longest length is 8 meters. When 60 LEDs, the length is more than 2 meters, you need the power line. You can check this. This is the power line. It can provide the external power supply. You need the power line to provide the power. Then for 30 LEDs, if the length is more than 4 meters, you also need the power line to provide more power. Here I will show you how to pair the device. Now I have two light strips. First I just need only one light strip. Here on the kit you also will have this. This is a connector. It can connect the controller and the light strip. For example, we can connect here on the connector right side. It has an icon here. Please make sure the icon is on the top. Then we combine the device. Connect the device. Here we connect the connector to the controller. Then the light will turn on. You can pair the device to Home app by iPhone. The operation is just like the Cololight Plus. So here I will only show how to pair the device by Android users. First, we open the Cololight app. Here, click Add or find the Add here. Add Cololight strip. This is 60 LEDs, so we choose the second one. The first one is 30 LEDs. Next, we need to reset the device. You can see. About the connector, you can check the Cololight Plus video to find the instruction. Here we press and hold the button until the light is flashing. Here the light is flashing, you can see that. Then we click Next. Here on this page, we need to pair the phone to the Cololight Wi-Fi, named Cololight Wi-Fi. Switch to the Wi-Fi page. Find the Wi-Fi named Cololight. Then we connect to the Cololight Then we connect to the Cololight Wi-Fi. Here is Cololight Wi-Fi. Then we click Next. Then on this page, we need to pair the device to the normal Wi-Fi. Here, if the tips shows to switch to another Wi-Fi, please click Cancel. For example, I choose LifeSmart Lab Wi-Fi. Input the password. Then click Next. Then it will show the configure page. If it takes a little bit longer, it means the Wi-Fi, because the phone's Wi-Fi will switch from the Cololight to another Wi-Fi. Here, if this page shows, it means that you need to go configure your Wi-Fi to the paired Wi-Fi. For example, I paired the Wi-Fi named LifeSmart Lab, so I need to switch to the LifeSmart Lab Wi-Fi. Then here, the progress will go on. Click Next. Click Done. Then the device will show here. Then we can slide it down or up to switch the effects. Here was to mention that if we add the device successfully, we need to set the length first. Now we can calculate the LEDs quantity. For example, this is 60 LEDs for every meter. Now it has 2 meters, so the quantity is 120. It will show the right number. But if I connect the strip with another one, so the number here, for example, I connect this to Cololight strips together. But normally I need to if I connect to another strip, the number is changed. I need to if I connect this to Cololight strip, but the length is still 120, but now the total number should be 240, right? Now if I switch the effect, only the first strip, here if I switch the strip, only the first strip will turn on. So I need to change the length. For example, now I need to select to 240. Succeed. Now the total light strip will turn on and follow the same effect. But the number needs to be right. Maybe if the Cololight strip length is just 240, you set the 500, for example. That in this situation, if the length is not correct, some effect may have some issue. For example, here we can select the effect. We can also remove the effect. Done. Click here. For example, we like the red color effect. And then for this, the light will run from one side to another side. Then the effect is modified to the Cololight is 5. It has 500 LEDs. So this is the wrong number. It is better to set to the right number, 240. So I change the number to 240. Also on this page, it has many effects here. It has many effects like selected, default, and advanced. You can DIY your effects here. In future, on this page, we'll move to the official web, just like the Cololight Plus on the third page. Now like this. Actually, the Cololight Plus and the Cololight Strip has many similar parts. So if you want to learn the app operation, you can refer to the Cololight Plus operation. Okay, thank you very much.